Beautiful surroundings. This hotel has beautiful surroundings and it is only 7 minutes away by car to Ronda city center. Great swimming pool. Very nice hotel, nice location, excellent rooms and friendly staff, very good stay and enjoyed the local town's attractions. Experience the historic charm of Hotel Bodega El Juncal in Ronda. Nestled in the picturesque city of Ronda, Spain, Hotel Bodega El Juncal offers a truly unique and enchanting experience. This 4-star hotel, built in 1750, seamlessly blends historic charm with modern comforts, providing guests with a delightful stay. With its recent renovation in 2016, the hotel boasts a fresh and contemporary ambience while preserving its rich heritage. Upon arrival, guests are greeted with a warm and inviting atmosphere. Check-in begins at 7 a.m., allowing you to start your day early and make the most of your time in Ronda. The hotel's convenient location, just 2 kilometers from the city center, ensures easy access to the vibrant attractions and landmarks of this captivating destination. Hotel Bodega El Juncal features 11 well-appointed rooms, each thoughtfully designed to offer a comfortable and relaxing retreat. Whether you choose a cozy standard room or indulge in a luxurious suite, you can expect modern amenities and stylish decor. The hotel's commitment to excellence extends to its child policy, allowing children between the ages of 2 to 3 to stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for families. As you bid farewell to Hotel Bodega El Juncal, checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to savor a leisurely breakfast or complete any last-minute preparations. If you're departing from the airport, the journey takes approximately 60 minutes, ensuring a smooth and convenient transition. Experience the perfect blend of history, comfort, and hospitality at Hotel Bodega El Juncal. Book your stay today and immerse yourself in the captivating charm of Ronda. Unwind and indulge in Hotel Bodega El Juncal's entertainment facilities. Hotel Bodega El Juncal in Ronda, Spain, offers a wide range of entertainment facilities to ensure a memorable and enjoyable stay for its guests. Whether you're looking to relax, socialize, or have some fun, this hotel has got you covered. Step into the hotel's cozy bar, where you can unwind with a refreshing drink or indulge in a selection of local wines. The bar provides a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, perfect for catching up with friends or meeting fellow travelers.